9 scientifically impossible places that actually exist. 1. The door to hell, Turkmenistan. Nestled deep within Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert is a gigantic, flaming crater called the Door to Hell, officially known as the Darvaza gas crater. This blazing pit was formed in 1971 when Soviet geologists drilled unintentionally into a natural gas-filled cavern. They light it on fire, anticipating that it will burn out in a few weeks and stop the release of hazardous gas. Nevertheless, the crater is still burning more than 50 years later, defying expectations from science. This crater's ongoing natural gas combustion presents a problem to our knowledge of combustion mechanisms and gas reservoir depletion. 2. Lake Hillier, Australia. Situated on Middle Island in Western Australia, Lake Hillier is a visually stunning body of water renowned for its vivid pink color. In contrast to other pink lakes, which frequently get their color from sporadic algal blooms, Lake Hillier's pink hue is constant and vibrant all year round. The precise cause remains unknown to scientists despite a plethora of research. There is currently no conclusive explanation for the color, while some speculate that halophilic bacteria and Dunaliella salina microalgae may be responsible. This ever-present shade of pink is nevertheless an enthralling and enigmatic natural occurrence. 3. The Bloodfalls Antarctica. One of the most enigmatic natural phenomena may be found in Antarctica, the coldest spot on Earth, the Bloodfalls. This creepy waterfall, which seems to be stained with blood, emerges from the Taylor Glacier in the McMurdo Dry valleys. The red color is genuinely caused by the oxidation of iron-rich subglacial lake water upon exposure to atmospheric oxygen. Scientists are puzzled as to how liquid water can flow in such a cold environment, even when the source of the iron is known. Because of the high concentration of salt, which lowers the freezing point of water, it remains liquid. This phenomena raises questions about how liquid water and life may coexist in harsh surroundings. 4. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, USA. The Devil's Kettle is a waterfall with an enigmatic twist that may be found in Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park. The Brule River divides in two as it gets closer to the falls. While the other portion vanishes into the Devil's Kettle, a deep hole, the other portion continues downstream. Where the water that enters the kettle goes has puzzled scientists for years. Though numerous tests, such as dye tests, have been carried out, the precise place where the water resurfaces is still a mystery. Geologists and hydrologists are still fascinated by this puzzling natural phenomenon. 5. The Sailing Stones, Death Valley, USA. Large rocks appear to wander across the desert floor in the secluded racetrack playa in Death Valley, California, on their own, leaving long footprints in their wake. These rocks, also referred to as sailing stones, have long perplexed experts. In 2014, after years of conjecture, scientists were able to unravel the puzzle. The playa becomes slick at night when a thin layer of ice accumulates on it, causing movement. The stones move across the surface at a moderate push created by the melting and breaking ice under the early sun, assisted by light gusts. This explanation does not change the feeling of the phenomena, which is unearthly, and begs the question of how such minute forces can move such massive objects. 6. Mount Rorima, South America. Mount Rorima is a huge tabletop mountain, also known as a tepue, that is situated where Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana all share a border. Mount Rorima's distinct, almost alien-like environment at the top renders it scientifically impossible. A lost world of sorts, the mountain's flat summit is home to rare species of plants and animals that cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. These species have been shielded from the evolutionary processes taking place elsewhere by the mountain's high cliffs and remoteness, resulting in an environment that appears to exist outside of time. The mountain defies traditional scientific comprehension due to its strange attraction, which is further enhanced by the odd rock formations and the persistent mist that envelops the peak. 7. The Boiling River, Peru. There is a river in Peru's Mayantuyacu district that is located deep within the Amazon rainforest and has temperatures so high that it may boil animals alive. Known as the Boiling River, or Shanae Timpishka, this 4-mile natural wonder with temperatures that range from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to almost 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The fact that this river is situated far from any volcanic activity, which is normally the source of geothermal heat, makes it puzzling to scientists. Researchers think that a crack in the Earth's crust that permits hot water to rise from below the surface could be the source of the boiling water's heat. Still unknown are the precise physics, which makes the boiling river one of the planet's most mysterious natural wonders. 8. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. The North Atlantic region known as the Bermuda Triangle, which is bordered by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is well known for its inexplicable ship and aircraft disappearances over time. The sheer quantity of inexplicable disappearances has sparked widespread discussion and scientific investigation, even if many of these instances can be explained by natural phenomena like abrupt storms, rogue waves, and human mistake. There are ideas that the region could be a vortex where magnetic anomalies interfere with navigation equipment, and there may be methane hydrates present that could cause ships to sink quickly. The limits of scientific explanation are continually being pushed in the Bermuda Triangle, despite countless research. 9. The Hestlin Lights, Norway. Since the 1930s, odd lights have been seen in the sky over Norway's Hestlin Valley. The Hestlin lights are a series of dazzling, hovering spheres that exhibit unpredictable movement and color changes. The specific cause of the lights is still unknown after a great deal of inquiry, including examinations carried out by the Norwegian military and other scientific teams. According to certain theories, the lights might be caused by plasma produced by the special geological conditions of the valley, ionized gas, or piezoelectricity from quartz rocks. But no clear answer has been discovered, and the Hestlin lights still enthrall and confound scientists and tourists alike.